Hello everyone, welcome to Davao City, and for today's video guys, I'm here at Acacia Hotel Davao City and I'm going to tour you to my room right now here at the 5th floor, 505. This is a relax room guys, so we're gonna open it with our key card. So it's here. Oh, there's a beep, 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 beep. So this is Acacia Hotel here in Davao City. This is the door. You can see it. Acacia, do not disturb. So it has double locks also. And here it is. I will show you the view of my room. So this is the view from the door. And this is the door. That's it. And then here it has space pa you wanted to put your shoes. You can put it there, your shoes. And this is it guys. I think this is 32 into in size. So it's very huge for me because I'm only alone here. So first up, we have here the drawer. Or you can put your clothes here. Yeah. Oh, they have bathrobe. Two of it. How can I use this at all? One for the one night and then another one for one night. So they have like this for your ironing. They have iron, safe, and the blower. You can hang your clothes. Oh, sorry. You can hang your clothes here guys. It's censored lights pala. So they have iron. They have the safe here. You have your dryer, blower, and they have the slippers. And in this area you have to put your clothes there, all your things. You can put it there. And you can hang also your clothes. They have hangers. Yeah. And up there, they have extra pillow. You can borrow if you want. So, from here, this area, they have the bathroom area and the toilet area. So, let's come in. Let's open this up. So this is the toothpaste, toothbrush, dental, and some of this vanity kit, and yes, paste toothbrush. They have two glasses there. They have the mirror, the lights. They have also this. It has cover. Oh, it's very good. It has cover because it's not gonna get wet. Yeah, it's very safe. Hello to Che there. Hi, Che. How are you? Nice hair. I'm just using my phone to vlog, guys, because I didn't bring any camera right now. So, there. And they have also this Acacia Hotel Davao hand soap. Hand soap. So, this is their sink area. Like that, and then you can put your things here if you wanted to. Some area. This is their toilet. Yeah, they have tissues also. Then their towels are hung there. Folded there. Looks like this. So, in this area, this is the bathroom. So let's see. Oops. Open this up, chair. I like this sealed door sealed like this. Open this up. Oh, it's cute. They have hot water also. Golden hat. And then they have shampoo and conditioner. This is their shower. And they have also this one for your shower. So that's it. It's very cute. Okay. You can hang your towels there. Like that. And then let's go to the bedroom area, where that's my favorite place in the hotel. Oh, they have like weigh-in. Weigh-in. Here. Is this working? Oh, it's working. Can I weigh in myself? I wear shoes. So it's 43 kilos. But I wear shoes, guys. 43 kilos. My goodness, Che. You have to eat more. Yes. And they have, yes, for the coffee heater. And they have, what's this? Coffee. They have tea. Wow. They have tea. Stain your hydrate. They have water. Looks like that. And then the TV looks like this. Yep. And then they have one chair there for your working area. This is where you're gonna put your laptop, your working area. They have this. How can I turn on this? Yeah, there's lights like that. There's lights. I love that orange chair. So that it looks like this, and it's very spacious, guys. There's another chair there and a table. If you want to eat, guys, you can eat there. Spacious. Look at this area. Yeah, that's just my things, guys. Never mind that. So that's it. It is that area. Oh, see, it's very spacious. I think if you are like 4 of you there, but if you are 2 of you, it's very spacious, guys. Look at the bed. So maybe I should jump here, jump there, jump everywhere. Because I'm alone. So it has telephone also. The bed is very soft. And it's very clean. They have this area here. Nice. So, when you are from the door, this is what it looks like. Nice. Yeah. Good. Oh, it has a mirror here. Say hi to Chat. Hi. Vlogging from Acacia Hotel, Davao, using my phone. So, what's the view outside? Let's take a look. This is my view outside. Charang, charang. I have the pool view, which is you can swim. The pool. That's part of the building, the Acacia Hotel. Still. The pool is there. I'm in the 5th floor. I think this is like in the 3rd floor. Their pool is located at the 3rd floor, if I'm not mistaken. Because I'm in the 5th floor. So, yeah. See? That's their pool. No one's taking a swimming. And what is good with this is that is SM Lanang right there, which is pretty near. It's just walking distance, guys. It's just walking distance. It's pretty near. SM Lanang. That's SM Lanang here in Davao City. And that's another hotel there. This one is Park Inn by Radisson's Place, Davao. That's an expensive hotel. We've been there before. And it's really beautiful also there. Yeah, so this is see, it's very nice. I like it here because it's near the it's near SM Mall Lanang, and it's also near the Vikings. At the same time, it's very convenient to be here. So tomorrow I'll be exploring their breakfast buffet. And then I will explore some areas here at this hotel, their amenities, and of course, we'll explore their gym and other amenities here at the Acacia Hotel here in Davao City, Philippines. So far, guys, the bed is what I like. Clean, looks comfortable. Look at that. I like it. So if you wanted to like looking for a hotel, guys, just go to some website and have the price of it. So that's it. It's very spacious for me because I'm alone here. Even if you guys are 4 of you here or 2 of you, it's really spacious. Look at that space, oh, right there. See, it's really spacious. Oh, the space is huge, guys. You can you can do basketball here. So by the way, this is Stephen Che saying ingat lagi and God bless, and don't forget to watch my next video about this hotel, about the amenities and stuff like that. So for now on, this is Stephen Che saying ingat lagi and God bless. Bye everyone. Love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.